Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's take a look on euro currency as usual. As you can see, our short-term trading plan mostly is done. This market has completed the OP on the daily chart, which is actually also the oversold area, as you could see by the oscillator predictor here. So well, market has no big chances for now just to break it down. So it needs some time for accommodation to be in habit with the new level, and then maybe we will get something else. But in general, since we have the bearish fundamental background for the euro currency, we're not considering that this is the area where euro currency has to show and start some major reversal, something of that sort. Absolutely not. We're waiting just for some tactical response on the support, on the OP, and on the oversold area. So that will be probably not very long-term relief for the market. At the same time, if we'll take a look at the weekly chart, once this response will be over, we're not exclude the situation where market will try to move lower and to taking out of these lows. Just because if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, just recall what we talked about in the weekend. We have clear divergence here and a major 30% support. This is hidden level and mostly market already stands below it. But the major 30% support stands in 106.11, slightly below this area. As the divergence suggests the taking out of these lows, 106.22 approximately, well, it's very probable that we will see, maybe not right now, but close to the end of this week or maybe on the next week, this market could try to challenge, because after that, it appears to entering to the significant supports 104.30, 106.11. A strong weekly confluence area, it's a bit wide, but still it levels relatively close. And we're coming right again in the bulk of the lots of statistics, the bulk of the statistics and the CPIs, payrolls this week. Then we're coming gradually to the central banks meeting, so it will begin the same stuff as it was a couple of weeks ago. So and until this moment, probably market could try to do this, but this actually a bit future perspectives doesn't relate currently to the things that we are discussing right there. In the current moment, what I could say that currently I see nothing to do for all sides, neither for the bulls nor for the bears, just because bears just completed this journey. For the bulls, we do not have yet any clear bullish patterns. We do not see yet in the manner, the way how market will show the response to this OP target, in what pattern it will happen. So we need to see how the situation will going. On the hourly chart, currently this performance doesn't look yet like something reversal. So it mostly just reached the 127 target. I usually use it as the minimum target of the failure of the hand and shoulders, extension of the head to the downside. And I'm not excluding the chance that market could try also to catch the XOP, because this is local XOP. It stands very close to the 107, it's 106.91, and some fluctuation around this area. So on the daily chart, you could see that oversold also lets to do this. Oversold stands precisely at this area, 106.91. So market could try to just flirting around, it's playing with this area, starting to form something, and with this some kind of the fluctuations, we could get the touching of the XOP. So maybe we will get even some kind of the pattern based on the XOP. It might be, for example, it just is an example. So it's maybe, for instance, the left shoulder, right? So market dropping, forming the head, then the shoulder ends will be minor pattern. Maybe butterfly will be formed, something of that sort. But based on this performance, it doesn't look like something reversal, as I said. It's more like the flag consolidation, right? At one of the extensions that we have. So, and that's why some chance exists. Market could pass a bit lower, trying to touch the XOP. That's just minor detail for a current situation, but in general, I would say that, as I said in the beginning, that mostly this downside action, short-term performance, short-term trading plan that we have prepared, mostly is done. So now we need to wait and see what response will be, and then we will make the next decision on the euro currency.